Hello and welcome to MATHEMAGIC. In this video we will discuss about polynomials, degrees of polynomial, types of polynomial, sum of zeros, and product of zeros. But before that, like the video and subscribe our channel MATHEMAGIC to learn maths in a magical way. So without wasting time, let's start the video. If px is a polynomial in x, the highest power of x in px is called the degree of the polynomial px. For example, 4x plus 2 is a polynomial in the variable x of degree 1. In 4x plus 2, power of x is 1, so its degree is 1. In 4x square plus 2, highest power of x is 2, so its degree is 2. Therefore, if we have a equation like 4x to the power n plus 2, then its degree will be n. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, 2x minus 3, x plus y plus 2, 11x minus 7, 3z plus 4, etc. are all linear polynomials. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, 4x square plus 12x plus 8, x square minus 9x minus 10. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, x cubed plus 2x square plus 3x plus 12. General equation of a quadratic polynomial px is px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b upon a, or we can say that minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Product of zeros, that is alpha beta, equal to c upon a. Or we can say that constant term upon coefficient of x square. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b upon a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c upon a. And alpha beta gamma is equals to minus d upon a. Thanks for watching. For regular mental growth, follow us on Instagram at dscreator2023.